Thutha wa Sharon Otieno kuonekana oragitwo na mwiri wake guteo mutitu, mundu wa mbere kuoroterio kara ari gavana wa Migori Okoth Obado. Akirikana ni akoretwo na thiriti ya wendo na Sharon, uria wari murutwo university-ini ya Rongo. Na thutha wa gukira kwa ihinda riu riothe, Obado riu niaritie akiuga wenda kuruhanitio na njira oro yothe na gikuu gia Sharon, na ni undu wikieha maundu maria muingio na atongoria makoretwo makimwiciriria.
That has been devastated, ridiculed and embarrassed by the sad news of the demise of Sharon. We are indeed at our very lowest in life. So hata usingizi hakuna, hata appetite hakuna.
Obado aroria honge ciothe iria ikuruhanitio gwika uthuthuria wao na kinyi na ihenya utoria kwahoteka niguo aria matabanirie giiko kiu matacukirio makinya ma kiwatho.
I'm still ready and willing whenever I'll be called upon to give further statements so that the real killers of Sharon can be brought to book.
Obado aritie riri muteithiriria wake Michael Oyamo akinyete igoti-ini ria Mirimani guku muciĩ-ini wa Nairobi. Ruhonge rwa gwika uthuthuria rukiuga Oyamo ndabatie kurekererio kuona uthuthuria nduri urarikirira. No mawakiri a Oyamo makihinyiriria merwo kiria kingituma age kurekererio, makiuga gutire na wira oro wothe wa kuonania mahitia maria arakuruhanio namo.
We are also awaiting DNA results which have been extracted not only in respect to this particular suspect, but others as well who are believed to be culpable as well.
They are only supposed to hold somebody who there is some evidence saying that he's involved in the offense they're investigating. Mr. Mbali has not told you that the devices they are holding belong to the subject.
Na mushirithania Lucas Kimarua tweitwa ria kwaga kumuhe bodi oro yothe no gwikio rumande kwa ihinda ria thikũ 14 niguo thuthuria urikirire.
He shall be brought to court after the expiry of 14 days where the prosecution shall be required to have him formally charged or he shall be released.
Wono thuthuria warikirira Oyamo ahota guthitangwo na mahitia ma kuragana giko kiria giatabanirio gicigo-ini kia Rachuonyo kaunti-ini ya Homa Bay. Ngiribotera Inooro TV ritwa riakwa ni Wambui wa Macharia.